is me, I am T, and I'm back with another video. Period. So if you are new here, what's poppin'? I'm Tiana Ajane. Subscribe to my channel, go back to my previous videos and watch and like those, comment what you would like to see. If you are returning, what's up? What's up? Period. Y'all right now. You should already be subscribed, and yeah. So today y'all just coming along with me and Tay. She's in the back room right now to run some errands. It's kind of late. It's like, I don't know what time is it. What time is it? Oh, I don't know. It's 3:15 p.m. Oh, he's on a skateboard. We about to run some errands to cook so we could get some stuff for the house and so we could cook dinner tonight because we're hungry. And yeah, so y'all just gonna come along with us because why not? Okay, y'all, so this is Tay, my gorgeous friend.
Hello, y'all.
So she's gonna be with us going around today. She been here since, I don't know, how long you been here? She been here for a while. It's time for her to get the...
It's giving move out day.
Yes. Tomorrow is move out day for her, so we gonna have some nice little... What we having?
A talk?
No.
Oh,
what?
Oh, dinner.
What's they called?
Pastelitos.
I thought that say espa. We about to have some pastelitos tonight. And yeah, period. So we'll see y'all in a bit.
Look like DJ shows.
Alright, what song should we play?
So daddy, nice my wrist too petty. Feet up on the bed, like a doggy style, cause I make that ass pop.
Y'all, we're at the most dangerous freaking store ever. I'm about to go in here and get a couple of things. I shouldn't be long at all. But knowing me and know how dangerous Target is, I might just be... is the lighting really bad? I'm sorry, guys. I don't... I'm not gonna get that much stuff. I don't know. Let's just get a cart.
So right now we are shopping for feminine products.
Oh, this I can't do here. Regular or light. Oh.
So she don't even know what we coming in here for. So it sounds like it's gonna be a very expensive trip.
I'm only getting 3 things.
She said she gonna get 3. She gonna buy the whole stuff.
Y'all, so which one do y'all be getting? Because I use organic. If you don't use organic, you ain't right. Your vagina is probably like crying. Because hey, what you be getting? So at first I was using Always. I ain't even going back.
I used to use Always, but now I use these.
Yeah. Who put you on?
Tiana.
Yeah, I did. But this brand right here, your vagina gonna feel like it's on cloud. I can't even say it. CLOUD9, and that's how you wanna go to
Heaven and coochie.
Yeah. Yeah. I was looking for air freshener. Oh, it's probably not even in these type of aisles.
No, I'll place that.
Cause it's over that way, but I just don't know where. No, I don't know.
First thing in your bathroom.
Yep, found it. Ooh, we love air fresheners. Oh man, somebody come.
This one, that smells good. This one smells good, but it's like a...
I want purple.
Oh. She want lavender everything. I want purple. That Alright, Disney stop. Tell you that ocean smells good.
We going with this one. Damn shit. That's it. Only 5 things. Who you know?
This the first time in forever. So we was rerouted. I was wondering why you didn't come here in the first place.
And like CJ Maxx, and they turned the camera off.
You rolling the truck? Get away from me, girl.
Oh. Yo.
You rolling the truck? I'm rolling for the party.
I am cracking up. So, we know who voted for Biden.
Biden 2020, period.
Now, we are on our way to the vehicle. Before we go to Wes. Where is it?
Wise. It's right there.
I said Wes.
Oh, I thought it wasn't gonna open. Oh, we could get a little one. A little cart means I can't get a lot of stuff. That's what I have to do to myself. So y'all, our first ingredient is the onion. And we already got the turkey, well, ground turkey. I don't eat ground beef. Well, I do, but I try not to. And now we're looking for the pastelitos. Ooh, pay attention, honey. They about to break. That mean they can't dry. Y'all. Ego my Lego. I mean, ego my, I don't know. How can you go without the Eggos? Found them, y'all. Right here. Paradise. These is what you need. Right here. Perfect.
So now she made me HBIC of the vlog. Of course. We just got done getting ice cream and some of the stuff for the pastelitos. And now she's just about to grocery shop for whatever else she needs in the house. And here she is right here with her little ugly eye. She don't even know what she gonna get, y'all. Like, I'm scared. Right now we is in the aisle of
Ooh, which one should I get?
Juice World. Hey. Can keep my hands to myself.
Why do you know the word?
You just worry about what juice you gonna get.
I'm looking for mango cream. Cream mango. Y'all already know what the deal is.
This is my song. So I'm back. They couldn't find her juice, so she had to settle with Hawaiian Punch.
And that's so good though. So sad.
They got her good.
Oh my god.
Somebody missed Speed Demon. Damn.
Like broke.
Road rage.
Brownies.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all been talking about brownies.
Y'all get fudge. Met chocolate. That's disgusting. Too much chocolate. We're gonna go with milk chocolate. Oh, but we might have to go with this one because it's cheaper and it's 2 for $5. Oh wait, no, that's that one. So this one, 99 cents. Look at that, 2
Yep.
for the win. Hey man.
She just taught y'all how to say simple math. We taught y'all how to do wise math.
Hello. Oh, we gotta get the cheese.
How
that
No,
shit.
but it's the nacho cheese. Like,
Okay.
and the salt. Oh, I got hella salt.
Oh my god, you can't come from mumble sauce. DC. What is it? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I can say that this one right here is the best. I like sweet hot mumbo sauce. Yes. That one is very good.
So we will see y'all when we get back to the house and prepare for dinner. I was about to say breakfast.
Peace out. Okay, this is better lighting. So y'all, Tiana just went to the store. She just went into Family Dollar. It's a little blurry, but I am her friend Tasia. She calls me Tay. A lot of people call me Tay. Some call me T Money. You know, TT, all that. But I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I came out here for a little bit, a little vacay. I went on a vacation at first, and then I came back to spend time with my friends. And I leave tomorrow, and I'm sad. So, yeah. This is Tasia time right now.
So y'all, we're back, and now we're just putting away groceries, and then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so if y'all didn't know, tonight we're making pastelitos. It was highly recommended for me to show y'all how I be making them. If you don't see me, well, if you see me making them and posting it on my Instagram, here's the recipe, or here's what I do at least. If you don't, you'll see this, and you'll see a picture on my Instagram at te.A, so make sure you go follow that. So first, you prepare your meat, which Tay is doing, and you can season it with whatever. I think we're just gonna do like, what we're gonna do. Let me see. Okay, let's focus here. Some seasoned salt, not really. We don't really need that. Onion powder. Salt, pepper, garlic, we really don't need that. And this. And actually, Tay forgot the garlic powder.
No, I didn't. It's right here.
Okay. And so, we're doing that. We saute, this time we're doing sauteed onions. This is my first time doing that. So, the first time I did it, I did ground beef and potatoes, which is the original way, but now I'm just doing beef, well, ground turkey and sauteed onions in it with a side of little beef rice. So yeah. Once you're finished, you're gonna put it in the little strainer. She being cute with it right now, but once y'all do that, then you're gonna prepare the disc, I guess, the empanadas. You're gonna prepare these, and I'm about to show y'all in a minute. First, you gotta stretch this out a little bit or whatever, and then you put some meat. It be saying 1 tablespoon, but baby, I'm a big girl. I don't got time for that. I need some meat.
Big where?
You like meat. Pepper. Cheese. A lot, because it's gonna melt. Is that it?
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Other cheese. Oh.
Mozzarella if you want to be spicy. That's done. And so we're gonna fold it over and start the fun part, which is decorating. So make sure you press it through and it goes through on both sides, because if it's not closed all the way, when you put it in the oil, it will open up and oil will be all in there. And you might as well not eat that, because you might die.
Wow. That was really harsh. We're in Hell's Kitchen, y'all.
I was being mean to take.
I was sweating. Like, I'm nervous. It's hot.
And you did this?
Bon appetit.
And you put it in here. Alright, get this. Come in a little bit. So, alright, you gonna see it like change color if the camera picking it up. I doubt it. Is it picking it up?
It's picking it up.
So it's gonna get lighter on both sides. Let that cook a little bit. It does, y'all. It takes like literally not that long, so you have to be watching it because if not, you'll burn it, or it's just gonna be crispy AF.
And then I'm gonna bring it to you.
Oh, we made the whole fucking. We made a lot.
And we have one left.
And that is how I make my pastelitos. And yeah, period.
Adios.
This is the end result. We have beef rice with the nacho cheese, sour cream, and the pastelito. How is it?
You see this motherfucker already?
Yo, I'm cracking up. Did you dip it?
But what you gotta do is you gotta put it here.
Okay.
And then you gotta go here.
Aw, you know, I told you. I'm cracking up.
This is good.
So y'all, my eyes was just burning like crazy. I had to go fix myself, but I'm about to eat. I don't play, I can't record while I eat, so I'll talk to y'all later when we finish. And yeah. Okay, so y'all, I'm super excited because I changed where I'm recording at. And I bought, this is my, I haven't put it up yet, but this is my new background. It's cute, it's cool, it's warm. It's purple, of course. And I got little sleeves and whatnot. So, I'm super excited for that. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up and click the big red subscribe button over there, because why wouldn't you want to be a part of the gang? Like, if you ain't gang, then you lame, period. Loser. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.